Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an amazing project which is Best Token Pre-Sale. Best Crypto Pre-Sale, get the best next gen wallet tokens of 2025 now. You can now claim your best tokens plus stake your tokens to earn reward. Add contract address to your wallet to see your best. You can check it out, the total USD raised right here. You can also download it on Google Store and App Store. Here you can see their benefits. Best Wallet is primed to shake up the rapidly growing non-custodial wallet market valued at $11 billion. Buy tokens in the best crypto tokens pre-sale above or directly in app to enjoy unrevealed holder benefits. Here you can check it out, the benefits like early access to new projects, reduced transaction fees, higher staking reward, and community governance. Here you can check it out, all the stuff right here. This is featured in Crypto News, Bitcoinist, Cryptopolitan, and furthermore. Here you can check it out, the best wallet ecosystem right here. You can simply buy, store, deposit, send, swap, and furthermore amazing features right here. Next we have the best wallet key features like multi-chain wallet. True multi-wallet functionality with support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, BNB Smart Chain, Base, and Polygon, and more blockchains is still coming, including 10. Cross-chain swap. Seamlessly swap token across different blockchains, get the best rate and lowest fees thanks to access to all major blockchains, 330 DX and 30 bridges. Enhanced security. Sleep easy with cutting-edge Fireblocks and PC security tech. Create secure cloud backups of all your multi-chain wallets, no seed phrases, you are in control. This is recommended by Bitcoin, Crypto News, and furthermore, as I already told you about this. Next we have their tokenomic details. You can check it out, the total supply and their tokenomic circle. Product development 25%, marketing 35%, airdrop 10%, staking reward 8%, exchange liquidity 10%, community reward 7%, and treasury 5%. Next we have their amazing roadmap. The best wallet ecosystem roadmap lay out all the key developments that have been completed and are still upcoming. Here you can check it out, the phases. Phase 1, market research, passcode, login, 2FA, biometric security, core wallet functionality, fiat on-ramp, multi-wallet support. Phase 2, new token launchpad, airdrop launch, fiat off-ramps, cross-chain swaps, multi-chain support, and advanced anti-fraud protection. Phase 3, address book, best card launch, portfolio management feature, browser extension, NFT gallery, reward hub, in-app crypto news feed, derivatives trading, and a staking aggregator. Phase 4, market intel analytic, limit orders, stop loss order, dollar cost average, buy and sell, MEV protection, and gas token free transaction. This is an outstanding platform. Next we have that how to buy these tokens. Best token is available on purchase in the Best Wallet app under upcoming tokens or directly above by connecting your wallet to the secure Web3 payment wages. Here you can see the steps right here. Install Best Wallet on your mobile device, tap on upcoming tokens to find the best token pre-sale. Purchase best token, claim best token after the pre-sale end. By following this step, you can simply buy these tokens. This is trusted by users worldwide. Read real reviews from users on the app and Play Store to discover what set Best Wallet apart. You can check it out, the views. This is a fabulous project. Next we have their Best Card is coming soon. Best Card is a crypto debit card that allows you to seamlessly spend your cryptocurrency holdings in Best Wallet on real world transactions similar to a transactional debit card. Earn cashback on every purchase with your Best Card, plus reduce transaction fees when you hold and stake Best Wallet tokens. Use it worldwide in any place where MasterCard is accepted. Here you can simply buy these tokens right here. Next we have the frequently asked question like what is Best Wallet, what is best token, can I buy and sell Bitcoin in Best Wallet, how do I stake tokens bought in the best crypto pre-sale, when do I get my best airdrop tokens, why should I buy the best crypto pre-sale, do I need to claim my best tokens with Best Wallet, and furthermore. You must read their frequently asked question for better understanding about your project. Here you can see the terms of services and privacy policies and further more details. Here you can check it out, their airdrop, and you can also see their social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account, their Discord. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can check it out, their amazing news and posts right here, and you can also check it out, the comments about the project right here. This is a fabulous project. I hope you liked the video. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not their financial advisor. I'm just telling you about their amazing project, so do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.